This video quickly puts you through on how to enable auto delete on Telegram mobile app. Let's just get right into it. First, tap on your app. As the app opens, you'll be landed on the chats area. Tap on settings. On tapping on settings, you will see your name and your phone number. Scroll down on that page. Tap on privacy and security. On getting to this page, you will see auto delete messages. In this case, it is turned off, so tap on it. Then, for how long do you want the message to be deleted once somebody sent it? How long do you want it to stay? Is it after a day for it to be deleted? Or if that is the case, tap on after a day and it says this self-destruct timer. Alright, so tap on enable auto deletion. Alright, so that is enabled. So that means that once somebody sends message to you, after one day, that message disappears from the chat.